Hey everybody, it's me. I am home. We had a great time, Margaret and I, and we are home, back home. And now, when this posts today on Saturday, my son and his wife Eric are coming back. It's the weekend of their dad's memorial, so some positive energy their way for my boys and their wives, and yeah, it's gonna be emotional, obviously. So anyway, moving on. So Tracy sent me a pocket letter plus more. Tracy, I just peeked. I didn't get into it, but she sent me. I haven't finished my. I got so busy. I don't know. But Tracy, my gosh, look at all she made. So much stuff. Holy mackerel! I think there's a couple of cards. Let me see. Look at these. Those are cool. Oh, they've got goodies in them. Okay, I don't know if they were cards or... Okay, so I can start here. It smells really good, Tracy. She put this in there. That's a great idea, actually. Air freshener. I love it. Cotton candy. I'm putting that in my card. Thank you. Oh my gosh. So check out this pocket letter. So yeah, I get home, then they come. They're going right back after the memorial. Straight from that. Sorry, crinkle, crinkle. Oh, look at this pretty though. Look at you guys. Oh my gosh. Anyway, it's just a quick pop-in visit. So. Oh, wow. Ooh, this is very clever, my dear. What did you do here? Oh, it's like a book. You are amazing, my dear. Look at this, you guys. She took pocket letters to a whole new level. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Kim. Bugs little tags. Oh my gosh, what an awesome idea. So that's on, feels like cardboard. Wow. And then it opens up. Look at all of this. Oh my gosh, this has got squirrels and butterflies and bee. Oh, my favorites. Look at the bee. She must have made that. That is adorable. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Wow. And then here's the other side. This is outstanding, my dear. Wow, 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 wow. And this is just so clever. I love this idea. I might have to scrap lift this from you. That is so cool. But look. Okay, I gotta move the box because I can't fully share. So it's got, oh, to keep the stuff in. So it's got this little, she put a little tab so that the sequins don't come out. Oh my gosh, you guys. Tracy, this is, look at the ribbon. Oh, some bows. Oh, this is so fun. Washi, great. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't even realize down here is a pocket with buttons she wound. Oh my gosh. This is like so cool. Oh my gosh, Tracy, you did it above and beyond. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love the lace and the ribbon. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So I came home to this wonderful surprise plus more orders. HSN, I'll do that in a different video, but okay. But let's get the box back, or I'll move the chair. There's more. Like, she didn't spoil me enough anyway. Oh, perfect. Good idea. She used a different spool to put this. Look at that gold leafing. Oh, now I think I have some like that, but I don't have it that size. Oh, that's pretty. Good idea of how to share it. Good, good, good. Okay. Ooh. Paper Studio. Those are gorgeous. Thank you, my dear. And look, she made, oh, these are adorable. Oh, and it looks like she took little foam ball, glitter balls for the center. What a great idea. Oh, those are gorgeous. Love it. You guys spoil me so much. Oh, look at the, oh, you're a rosette maker. I am an, I don't do well with rosettes. Oh, look at these gorgeous bows, though. Wow, get my big sausage fingers out of the way. Had to feed the squirrels as soon as I got here, water my plants. Everybody listened to feed the birds because everybody was like, oh, where's Kim? But yeah, we had a great getaway, so that was awesome. And, oh, these are adorable. Look at these little bows she made. Cute. Perfect size for like cards too. Did you put adhesives on the little foam? Wow, Tracy, you are a woman dedicated to detail. I'm impressed. These are so cute. Wow. You see that? Shrink. And then there's more bows, but I'll show you the rosettes. Oh my gosh. Cute. It's my son. On the day of the memorial is Brian's birthday. You know, I mean, he's a grown man. He can handle it, but it's just, I don't know. Yeah. It's going to be a tough weekend. These are so cute, and I love how you did the little, just a dot in the middle. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, those are so sweet. Wow, you really outdid yourself here, Tracy. This is amazing. I start the pocket letter thing and then I've failed to get mine completed. I've got them started and I haven't. So, and next I go to Austin, Texas. It's like, really? I kind of overbooked myself and all life happened all at once. After that, it should slow down quite a bit. So, till July and then I'm busy again. So, anywho, enough about me. It rains or pours. Oh my. Ooh, look at this. With that acrylic stuff. Oh, those are gorgeous. Wow. You are a very talented person, my dear. More flowers. Oh, these are so cute. Are those? Yeah, there's 2 sets. Okay. Oh, look at these that she made. These are better. I like these more than the Prima. These are just gorgeous. Did you make these? Maybe she bought, I don't know. Comment below, Tracy. Oh my gosh, you're so talented. Oh, look at these little suckers. Oh, those are so cute. Oh my gosh. So it looks like she used straws and pipe cleaner with some bling, you know, some. Ah, those are, I've never seen that. You guys are amazing. Oh my gosh, there's something big wrapped up. I'll save that for last. Ooh, oh Tracy, that is so generous of you. Thank you so much. Look at those gorgeous beads. Wow. And look at the bows she's making. Wow, that is amazing. Okay, and then there's 2. I'm keeping the envelopes too. They are beautiful. Oh my gosh. More handmade things. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at these. Just a whole bunch of these just to use. Oh, love it. These, oh, out of a doily. So she showed me one decorated. Ah, I see. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? I need an instructions. I like that. That is really cool. So just folding it up. Huh. And then little snippets to add to them. Oh my gosh. Isn't that, look at that. I love that daisy. Wow. So everything in there was daisies. And doilies. I love it. I need, Tracy, I'll have to look and see if she has a channel. Well, you know, where she shows stuff. Because you need to do a tutorial, my dear. Okay, and then, oh, look at this. Tickets, perforated plain, so you can just stamp on them what you want. That's perfect. Some pretty pink lace. Looks, it's pink here, it looks peach there, so on the camera. And then some gorgeous tags. I bet you made these too, didn't you, my dear? Oh my gosh. You guys are amazing. I start things, then I stop things, and I start things, and I... Margaret and I colored a lot, so I did do that. I got a lot of coloring done. It was kind of nice because we didn't have, you know, I've been done where I've brought the stuff for a junk journal. It's just too much to haul. Then when you want to pack up, it's like, okay. What does it say? Oh, 9 minutes. I thought it said 48 minutes. I was like, what? It is recording, right? Okay, I hope so. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so she bubble wrapped something. I don't know why it's got 40. Anyway, I don't know. I hope this is coming out. I don't want to have to redo it. Okay. My goodness, what is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what have you done here? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. So this is the back, and then it has a handle. This is gorgeous. She wrapped something. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Schoolhouse or a church. Maybe that's a church. So sweet. Look at the layering. I struggle with layering. That's hard to do. Look at all the bows. It's eye candy. Look at the pom-pom trim. This is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And then more tissue behind here. She had it. Tracy, this is absolutely stunning. I can't believe this. Wow. Thank you so much, Tracy. If she does have a channel where she, shares her creations and her hauls, I will, or whatever she does, if she has an active channel, I guess. I don't know what I'm trying to say here. I will share it with you guys, okay? Tracy, thank you so much. Take care, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.